May bagong flavor kami dyan, ma'am. Honey butter, ma'am. Ilan, ma'am?
May brown pa po ba yung dalawa to?
Wala ngayon, ma'am. Yung...
Isa na lang po gawin.
Sige po. Sige po. May gusto ka pa dagdag, ma'am? Sige po, ma'am.
Okay naman. 340 here.
Double check niya lang, ma'am. Ito pa ba, ma'am? Sige po. 280 lang, ma'am. Ilan na kinuha ni ma'am?
Diba? Kasi baka that's more, kasi baka yung maalat eh. Although I like it.
Yung honey butter, ma'am, medyo sweet siya, ma'am. Yung honey butter, medyo matamis siya, ma'am. Pwede, ma'am. Yes, pwede, ma'am. Up to more than a week siya, ma'am. I think 2 to 3 weeks. Eh. Kung gusto mo, ma'am, bigyan na lang kita ng promo kasi wala yung di ba? Kumaga 280 to, di ba? Parang 380 pag tatlo. Parang discount na lang kita sa third item mo, ma'am. Sige po, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sige po, thank you. Hello, ma'am. Mochi buns. Hello, ma'am. May nasabi na ni ma'am sa'yo?
Strawberry cream.
Sige, sige. Strawberry. Isa lang po, ma'am.
Yeah, isa lang.
Maybe you would like to add anything else, no? It's like a pillow, no? Yung ganito ko, ma'am, last 4 na lang to, ma'am. For today. Ano siya? Custard filling with fruits on top. It's like an eclair, ma'am, but softer yung dough niya.
How much is this?
150 for a pair.
Ito.
120.
What's inside?
Yeah. Strawberry with cream cheese.
Ganito rin.
Medyo different lang konti, ma'am.
I'll try the mochi bun.
Sige po.
So, interesting. Yung cream cheese niya, infused yung flavor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll have one.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sulat ko ako.
Parang kung kilala niyo si ma'am, parang sobra yata yung binigay niyo. I didn't count it na eh. 280 lang yun eh. Kasi ito yun. 280. Sobra 50. So if you're watching this, ma'am, let me know you have excess 50 pesos. Or maybe I give you another item, di ba? Try natin hanapin. Saan na kaya sila, ma'am? Maybe I check. Yan, pag kilala niyo si ma'am, i-tag na lang sila. Pagtanggap ko, I didn't count it yet eh. I thought okay na kasi. Ano lang, honest mistake. Pero ito, ayan o. Mga ano natin. Mga mochi buns. Best mochi buns in the world. Hindi, in na lang. Hindi naman in the world. Dito pala. Next time siguro in the world. May cropek din tayo ganito. Ha? You know, honey butter, barbecue, plain. Yan. Iba-iba siya eh. Marami siyang flavor. I cook them myself. See you in the next video.